Patties is a famous street food in India. Generally, it comes under a chaat dish. We have lot of vegetarian patties as an option. But today I am going to show you a unique and simple recipe of keema patties in which I have used a minced chicken. Hey guys, Omkar here and welcome to Bachelor's Tadka. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon as well so that you will get the notifications once I upload any video. Let's move on to the ingredients. For the filling, we will need half kg of minced chicken. You can use any type of minced meat like a minced goat or a minced lamb. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, some fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Salt as per taste. For the outer covering, we will need suji or semolina, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 whole egg, 2 boiled potatoes. Make sure you them boiled very well. We have to mash them. Salt as per taste and some oil to fry. First we will make the filling for the patties. So that I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, let's add 1 chopped onion in it. Fry it till it gets soft. 2 minutes after frying the onion, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in it. Mix it well. Fry the onion and ginger garlic paste for 2 minutes. 2 minutes are done. Now I am going to add 1 chopped tomato in it. Fry the tomato for next 1 minute. Once the tomato are fried, make the flame low and now we will add all our spices in it. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is for coloring, not for the spice. Mix it well till it loses an oil. It will take generally 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can make your flame to medium. After frying the masalas for 2 minutes, now I am going to add a minced chicken in it. Remember, I have taken here a minced chicken, but you can take any minced meat like a minced lamb or a minced goat. Mix it well so that all spice and the masala get coated to the keema or a minced chicken. Minced chicken will lose its own water, so we don't need to add any water in it to cook. Add salt as per taste. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Now mix it well. Cover it and cook it for next 10 minutes. Chicken does not require a long time to cook. It will get ready in the next 10 minutes. So we will check after 10 minutes if the keema is ready or not. Make sure you keep the flame on medium. 10 minutes are done, so we can check if the minced chicken is cooked or not. As you can see, it's ready. So we will turn off the flame and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Till the time we will make our batter or our covering for the patties. For the outer covering, we have taken 2 boiled potatoes. We are going to mash them. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. Cornstarch acts as a binding agent here. Add 1 egg in it. Mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Now we will start making the patties. So make sure you grease your hands with oil. If you can't roll the potato batter into a ball, then you need to add more cornstarch in it. So take a batter or a covering on your hand. Pat it well. Now add chicken stuffing in it. Add more covering on it. Roll it into a ball. Coat it with a suji. Keep it aside. Similarly, we have made all the patties. Now we are going to deep fry them. Oil is hot enough to fry the patties. Make the flame to medium and slowly add all our patties in the oil. Fry them on a medium flame or until it gets golden brown and crispy. Chicken is already cooked and the potatoes are already boiled, so it will take hardly 5 minutes to fry them. So 5 minutes are done. We can check if our patties is ready or not. As you can see, they are golden brown, so we can take them out of the oil. Now let's fry the remaining patties in the same way. All our patties are ready now, so we can check if it's cooked or not by cutting it in half. As you can see, the filling is inside and the outer covering is there of the potato. Serve it with a ketchup or a coriander chutney and enjoy. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon as well for the notifications. Thank you for watching the video.